TechMax, your one-stop platform. Hey there, entrepreneurs! Did you know that in 2025, e-commerce blogs will drive 40% more customer engagement? I'll guide you through setting up a high-impact blog on your e-commerce platform. Let's turn your store into a content powerhouse. Step 1. Access the blog tool. First, log into your e-commerce platform. Look for the Content Hub or Blog Manager. Most 2025 platforms have this built in. Click and create new blog. Name it something catchy, like Style Tips and Trends for a Fashion Store. Step 2. Design and branding. Next, make it yours. Choose a template that mirrors your brand. Use AI tools like Design Assist 2025 to auto-match colors and fonts. Pro tip: enable dark mode, it's a 2025 favorite. Step 3. Smart integration. Time to monetize. Embed products seamlessly. Hover over a keyword like summer dresses and click Smart Link to auto-connect to your catalog. Add shoppable videos or AR previews. 2025 shoppers love interactive content. Step 4. AI-driven SEO. Rank higher with 2025's AI SEO tools. Enter your topic and let tools like SEO Genius optimize keywords, meta descriptions, and even voice search phrases. Hey Alexa, find eco-friendly skincare. Boom, there's your blog. Step 5. Content creation. Stuck on ideas? Use AI writers like Blogbot 2025 to draft posts. But add your voice. Mix formats, quick reels for tutorials, infographics for data. Schedule posts with a content calendar. Consistency is key. Hit publish, then shout it out. Auto-share to TikTok Shop and Meta stores. Run a read and save the email campaign, reward readers with loyalty points. Engagement in 2025 is all about cross-channel synergy. And that's it. Your 2025 ready blog is live. Remember, blogs aren't just content, they're sales engines. Drop questions below, and don't forget to subscribe. Now go make waves. Join TechMax, your all-in-one digital marketing hub to skyrocket your business growth.